Okay, it's All City Auctioneers here with another lot for our April 10th, 2024 online auction. It's lot number T1009, and it is a 2009 Ford F150XLT crew cab short box pickup truck. Pretty nice looking unit. This is a government surplus vehicle. It's declared as previously being used for an emergency vehicle, so was part of the one of the local police departments. It's got a capot, a rear cap on the back, or a canopy, I believe. It's got 3 access points, so side opening, rear opening, and the other side opening. Plus has a rear slider, but I don't think the slider is there for the pickup truck. It's got one of the bed slide 1000s. There you go, she comes right out just like that. So fairly well equipped, some nice options, and being an XLT, it's fairly well equipped inside. So I'll just wander around the vehicle here. And so like I said, this is surplus from one of the local municipalities. Was used as an emergency vehicle, so previously used as a police vehicle. A few little bumps and scratches there, some minor scratching on the sides here, larger dent right here by the passenger front door, some larger scratches here by the fender, couple of rub marks there. Like I said, we do have the keys for these also, so they are locking and keys included. I'm not sure if we actually have the keys for the back. I would assume it's the same number. But, you know, the back didn't arrive locked, the sides did, and we did unlock them. And no, that key is not it. That doesn't work. So, interior looks to be fairly clean. There is some, you know, missing body panels inside. You can see here the console is missing from the center, and also the upper one. You can see where they had the light all mounted there, and emergency items in the center there. Holes in various panels from, you know, emergency equipment, computer mounting, stuff like that. I'll go around to the other side. We do take lots of pictures and put, you know, many pictures on our auction site. You know, usually up to like 75 photos for each vehicle. So that way there you can, you know, we also take pictures of the underside and stuff like that for you. Seats lift up. There's a hole there from something. You know, this one here lifts up. You can see there's some staining there, you know, but no rips or tears on the seats themselves. A few small stains. I'll go to the passenger side here. A little bit of staining there on the inside. I did see a spot of rust down on one of the rocker panels, some staining there on the headrest, a little bit of staining there on the driver's seat. Carpet looks like it needs to be reinstalled properly. Marks and scratches all along the dash, and again this big large thing here, hole in the center where the upper console's been removed. The vehicle does get towed to our location, but we do take it and drive it around our yard, and it seems to run and drive as required. But they are sold as is, where is. So make sure you come down and take a look. Lots of little dents right in here, right above the driver's door. I'm gonna fire it up. The vehicle did have a fire under the hood, an engine fire. I wouldn't say it's an engine fire. I think it was an electrical fire under the hood, but that's been repaired. There is some places there where you can see evidence of that. All the warning lights illuminate.
Indeed.
All the warning lights illuminate and then go out. 209,716 kilometers, so 209,716 kilometers. almost a full tank of gas. And the way gas prices are going here in the Vancouver area, that could be worth almost $1,000. Of course, I'm kidding, but we're getting close. You know, we don't check all this. It does have air conditioning and everything, but we don't check any of that. You know, the buttons work, whatever, you know, unless it's a, you know, cooking hot day, which it isn't yet because it's still the spring. Brake controller. There is a little mark there in that passenger seat, so pretty clean inside actually overall. I'll go now and let you listen to the engine, and then show you what we noticed there from the fire. Don't mind me while I put you down. So I'll just let you listen to the motor. And that is a 4.6 liter Triton, probably a V8. Yeah, it looks like it's an 8-cylinder. Right in here is where you can see it looks like there was something dropped on the vehicle here and started some sort of a fire and got down into the control unit. So there's some melted wires and whatnot here, and some of the plastic here has been melted. So but it did go in for repairs and did get repaired, but obviously not all the evidence of the fire was removed. So again, this is selling unreserved, highest bid wins. It is in Langley, British Columbia. We are all city auctioneers, and we use the online auction site bcsurplus.com. Highest bid wins. Hope you get another bye-bye auction.